Dear students, today we will prove some more theorems on convergent sequences. Theorem first, every convergent sequence is bounded. So to prove that, let us consider xn such that n belongs to n be a convergent sequence. Since we know that a sequence is said to be convergent if its limits is a finite real number, so let limit of xn as n tends to infinity equal to l, where l is a real number. So by using definition of limit of the sequence, for every epsilon positive, there exists a n naught, a natural number, such that absolute difference of xn and l will be less than epsilon for all n greater than n naught. Now we want to show that sequence is bounded. So absolute value of xn equal to xn minus l plus l. l जोड़ दिया और l माइनस कर दिया. By using triangular inequality, we break in two parts, less than or equal to xn minus l absolute difference plus absolute difference of l. Replacing xn minus l absolute difference value epsilon plus this for all n greater than n naught. Now let k equal to maximum from x1, x2, x3, xn naught. A epsilon plus absolute difference of L1. This number can be taken K1 also if you want, but no problem at all. And suppose this makes greatest number in all be K. So absolute difference of xn, absolute value of xn less than or equal to K for all greater than n naught. So we can say sequence is bounded. Now next theorem, if sequence is convergent sequence, then its limit is unique. मतलब कन्वर्जेंट सीक्वेंस की लिमिट एक ही होती है, दो नहीं हो सकती. तो लेट इफ पॉसिबल एल एंड एल डैश बी टू limits of the sequence, and we consider L is different from L dash, and we consider that a absolute difference of L minus L dash is greater than epsilon, where epsilon is a positive number. This inequality is said by A, noted by A. Now since the limit of xn, using concept of limit for every epsilon by 2 greater than 0, there exists n naught belongs to natural number such that xn minus l absolute difference less than epsilon by 2 for all n greater than n naught. Similarly, limit of xn it be l dash. So by same condition, for every epsilon by 2 greater than 0, there exists n naught belongs to natural number such that xn minus l dash absolute difference will be less than epsilon by 2 for all greater than n2. So combining 1 and 2 inequalities, we consider let maximum from n1 and n2 be n2. Say, so these two inequality will be true for n naught. Now we consider absolute difference of L minus L dash, adding and subtracting xn, then using triangle inequality, then putting these values, their values, epsilon by 2 plus epsilon by 2 equal to epsilon. So L minus L dash absolute difference will be less than epsilon. But initially we have taken A. So this result contradicts to fact the A. Hence our assumption is wrong. So it means L and L dash will not be different. Hence L will be equal to L dash. So we can show that sequence has unique limit. Thank you.